Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ben and Emma.
I'm Emma, and I am so excited for our topic today.
And I'm Ben, and I am not excited. I am very stressed.
Stressed? Ben, why? You were so happy after our travel episode.
Yes, I am ready for my trip. I am not afraid of the airport.
That's wonderful.
But now I have a new problem.
What is it?
I have nothing to wear. I need to buy clothes.
Ben, that's not a problem. That is fun. We can go shopping.
Shopping? Fun? No, Emma. Shopping is terrifying.
Terrifying? Why?
All the people, the stores, and the sizes. What is M? What is L?
Ben, M is for medium and L is for large. We can figure that out.
And what if I buy something and it's wrong?
Wrong?
Yes, the color is wrong or the size is wrong, and I need to
You need to what?
I need to return it.
To return an item, the ultimate fear.
Yes, I cannot do it. I will just keep the wrong shirt.
No, you will not. Today, we are going to learn everything from just looking to I'd like a refund.
A refund?
Yes, money back. Let's start at the beginning. You walk into the store.
You walk into the clothing store. What is the first thing that happens?
The salesperson. They come to me. They walk very fast.
Haha, yes, the salesperson or shop assistant.
And they say, "Can I help you?"
Yes. Can I help you? Or are you looking for anything special?
I panic. I don't know what to say.
This is where you use the first magic phrase. You just smile and you say, "I'm just looking, thank you."
I'm just looking.
Yes, it means I am just browsing. I don't need help right now.
Oh, that is a magic phrase. They will leave me alone?
Yes, they will smile and say, "Okay, let me know if you need anything."
Phew. Okay, so I am just looking. I am browsing. But Emma, what if I do need help?
Good question. What if you want help?
Yes, I see a shirt I like, but I cannot find my size.
What are the sizes you see?
I see S and XL.
S is for small, and XL is for extra large.
I think I am a medium, an M.
Okay, so you find the salesperson and you use the other magic phrase.
What is it?
"Excuse me, can you help me?"
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, and they will say, "Of course. How can I help?"
And I say, I am looking for this shirt in a medium.
Ben, you are a professional shopper. That is perfect.
Wow, okay, I have the shirt. But Emma, what if I don't know if it fits?
Fits?
Yes, if the M is good for my body.
You need to try it on.
Try it on?
Yes, you need the fitting room.
The fitting room. Yes, the little room with the mirror.
Exactly. So what do you say you need to find it?
I say, excuse me, where is the fitting room?
Perfect. Or where are the fitting rooms?
And they tell me, it's over there.
Yes, and you go into the fitting room, you try on the shirt, you look in the mirror.
And it looks great.
Wonderful. So now you are ready to pay.
Yes, pay. I go to the front of the store, the checkout.
Yes, the checkout or the cash register.
But Emma, I am worried about the price.
The price? Did you look at the price tag?
The price tag?
The little paper on the shirt, it says the price.
Yes, it says $50. Wow, That is expensive.
But maybe it is on sale.
On sale? What is on sale?
On sale means it has a discount. The price is lower.
A discount. I love discounts.
Me too. Maybe there is a big red sign that says 50% off.
50%, half price. Okay.
So you go to the checkout. The person says, "Hello, just this today?"
And I say, yes, please.
They scan the shirt and they tell you the total.
That will be $25.
And they ask you the big question, cash or card?
Cash or card?
Yes, how do you want to pay? With paper money or plastic?
I will pay by card.
Perfect. You tap your card, beep.
And I am finished.
Not yet. You must get the receipt.
The receipt? The long paper?
Yes, the receipt. This is the most important paper in shopping.
Why? I don't want it. It's just trash.
No, you must take the receipt, Ben. Because what if you get home
Yes?
and you try on the shirt again and you see a big hole?
A hole! Oh no!
Or it is the wrong size.
The wrong size. My nightmare.
You cannot return the shirt if you do not have the receipt.
The receipt? Okay, I will take the receipt. Okay, Emma, it happened.
What happened, Ben?
My nightmare. I am at home, I bought the shirt, I have the receipt,
Yes.
and it's the wrong size. It is an S, a small, it is too tight.
Oh no, it doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit. I am panicking. What do I do?
You do not panic. You take the shirt and the receipt and you go back to the store.
Back to the store? Oh, this is scary.
You go to the checkout and you wait in line.
And what do I say? My heart is beating.
You take a deep breath and you say the ultimate magic phrase.
What is it?
You say, "Hello, I'd like to return this, please."
I'd like to return this.
Yes, to return means I want to give this back.
And they will say, okay?
They will probably ask a question. They will ask, "What is the reason for the return?"
The reason.
Yes, why are you returning it?
I say, it is the wrong size.
Perfect. Or it doesn't fit.
Okay, it doesn't fit.
Then they will look at the receipt and they will ask you another question.
More questions.
They will ask, "Would you like a refund or an exchange?"
Refund? Exchange? What is the difference?
A refund is you get your money back.
My $25?
Yes. An exchange is you get a new shirt.
Like the same shirt, but in medium?
Exactly. You exchange the small shirt for a medium shirt.
Which one do I choose?
It's your choice. Do you want the shirt in the correct size?
Yes, I like the shirt.
Then you say, "I'd like to exchange it for a medium, please."
And if I just want my money?
You say, "I'd like a refund, please."
Wow. Okay, refund or exchange?
And that's it. You did it. The nightmare is over.
Whew, I did it. I returned the shirt. I feel powerful.
Ha ha! See, Ben, you did it. You got your exchange. You are not just a confident shopper.
I am a smart shopper.
You are a smart shopper. And if you got a refund, you just saved money.
Saved money. Yes, like we talked about in our money episode with the bicycle jar.
Exactly. You remembered the bicycle jar.
My Japan jar.
That's right. And the clothing store is one place to be smart. But the most important place to be a smart shopper is the supermarket.
The supermarket? The food store?
Yes. Why?
Why?
Because of needs versus wants.
Needs and wants. I remember this.
Yes, needs like milk, bread, eggs.
And wants, like 5 different kinds of ice cream.
Exactly. So how do you be a smart shopper in the supermarket? What was the tip from our money episode?
A list.
Yes, a shopping list.
I write down my needs: milk, bread, vegetables.
And you only buy what is on the list.
Okay, I am in the supermarket. I have my list. I need milk.
But you cannot find the milk.
Yes, the supermarket is so big.
What do you do?
I find a person who works there, and I say, "Excuse me, can you help me?
Good. And?
Where can I find milk?"
Perfect. And they will say, it's in aisle 5.
Aisle? What is an aisle?
The aisle is the long row with all the food.
Aisle 5. Okay.
But first, Ben, you need a shopping cart.
The big metal thing?
Yes, the cart or the trolley. Or, if you only need milk, a basket.
I will get a basket.
So you get your milk, your bread, your vegetables.
And maybe one small chocolate bar.
One small want, that is okay. And you go to the checkout line.
Yes, the checkout line. You wait, it's your turn.
The cashier scans your food. Beep, beep, beep.
And they ask you, paper or plastic?
Paper or plastic?
Yes.
Do you want a paper bag or a plastic bag?
I have my own bag. A reusable bag.
Ben, you are a super smart shopper. That is the best answer.
And I need to know the price. I ask, how much is the total?
Great question. What is the total?
That will be $15. I pay by card. I take my receipt.
And you are finished.
Wow, okay. So, I am smart in the clothing store. I can get a refund.
Yes.
I am smart in the supermarket. I have my list.
Yes.
But Emma, what about online shopping?
The new panic. Shopping on the computer.
Yes, I am terrified.
Why? It's easy. You just click.
No, it is not easy. I cannot try it on.
That is true.
I see a picture, but what if they send me the wrong size or the wrong color?
A very common problem.
What if it does not look like the picture?
That is a perfect phrase. The item is not as described.
Not as described. Yes. How do I return that? I cannot talk to a person.
You are right. You cannot talk to a person. You must use the website.
This is my nightmare.
No, it is easy. You go to your orders page and you click the magic button.
A magic button?
Yes, it says start a return.
Start a return.
You click it. The computer asks you, why?
And I say, it doesn't fit, or it is the wrong item.
Exactly. And then the computer gives you a shipping label.
A shipping label?
A piece of paper with an address. You print it. You put it on the box.
And I send it back.
And you get your refund.
Whoa. Online returns. Okay, I think I am ready. Okay, Emma, role play time.
My favorite time. Okay, Ben, I am everyone. Scene 1. Clothing store. Hello, sir. Can I help you?
I'm just looking, thank you.
Okay, let me know if you need anything.
Okay, a moment later.
Excuse me, can you help me? Of course.
I am looking for this shirt, but in a large.
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. And where are the fitting rooms?
Just over there, to the left.
I did it!
Scene 2. Online return. Okay, Ben, your package arrived.
Oh, good. Oh no.
What is it?
I ordered a blue shirt, but this is a green shirt.
It's the wrong item.
What do I do?
Go to the website.
Okay, I'm on the website. I click My Orders. I click Start a Return.
Why are you returning this?
I choose Wrong Item was sent.
Please print your shipping label.
I am printing, and I put it on the box. Shoo!
And 1 week later, ding!
What is that?
An email. Your refund is complete.
End scene, Emma. I did it. I am a real smart shopper.
You did it, Ben. You are a superstar.
Today was a huge lesson. My brain is full.
But you learned everything.
We learned I'm just looking, fitting rooms, cash or card.
And the most important ones,
I'd like to return this and start a return.
you are completely ready. You are not a panicked shopper anymore.
No, I am a smart shopper.
And see, by returning the wrong items, you are saving money.
Yes, for my Japan jar.
That's the goal. And for your homework this week, we want to hear about your shopping stories.
Yes, please tell us, what is your worst shopping experience?
Ooh, a good question. Or, what is the best thing you ever bought on sale?
We will read every single comment.
Thank you for listening to English with Ben and Emma.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We will see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.